Number Corner Kindergarten friends, welcome back. Today is Wednesday. Let's find out what the date is. Today is October 28th, 2020. October 28th, 2020. And we know that the day of the week is Wednesday. Yesterday, we have to hop backwards, was Tuesday. Tuesday, Wednesday. What comes after Wednesday? What will tomorrow be? Thursday. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. And if you notice, it goes in the order. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Now we are going to find out how many days that we've been in school. Last time we had Number Corner, we were right here on Monday, and we were in school for 57 days. So let's find out how many days we've been in school now. We are going to start at 57 and count on. 57, 58, 59. One more time. 57, 58, 59. And we are going to turn our attention up here to see the number 59. 59. Now this 5 right here, that represents how many tens there are. There's 5 tens, which is 50. And then 9 ones left over. We can go ahead and check out our tens right here. Ready? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. There's that 5. But let's count by tens now. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. When we count by tens, our 5 tens turns into 50. Now let's find out our ones. Starting back here one more time, then we will count these in. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. How many more do I need to fill this 10 frame? Well, look at all the dots in here. How many more do I need to fill that 10 frame? Just one more, you're right. Now over here on my chains, I have 50 over here. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Now I have 59. I cannot believe that we have been in school for 59 days. Holy moly. All right, you guys, we are going to do some whiteboard time, so go ahead and grab your whiteboard, pause if you need to, and have it nice and ready for the next part. Go ahead and grab your whiteboard. We've been practicing writing our numbers 1 through 10, which is awesome. So what we're going to do is we're going to fly through those, and we're going to jump into some teen numbers. So first thing is to write your numbers 1 through 10. Pause if you need to. Then when we come back, I will have it on my board as well. You can check to make sure all of our numbers look great. We wrote numbers all the way through 10, and then we're going to jump into the teen numbers. As you can see, I wrote the first 9 numbers on my board. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I need to write the number 10. A 10 is a 1 and a 0. Now, these next numbers all start with a 1. That's what makes them teen numbers. So all the rest of the numbers that we're going to be writing all the way up until we get to the number 20 will start with a 1. So we wrote 10. Let's go ahead and write our next number, 11. Now remember, you should also be doing this on your board. We are practicing writing these together. 10, 11. 11 is a 1 and a 1. Next I have 12. And I want you to notice something. They all start with 1, but look at this side. They're counting up. 0, 1, 2. So next I'm writing number 13. What do you think it might look like? A 1 and a 3, because we're counting up. 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's read them together. 10, 11, 12, 13. What comes after 13? 14. And you can hear 14. It has a 4 in it. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What comes after 14? 15. I know it starts with a 1, but what number comes next? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I have a 1 and a 5, it makes the number 15. All right, now we have written our numbers 1 through 9 and our numbers 10 all the way through 15. Let's go ahead and point and count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Do your numbers look like mine? Did you do the very best that you can? Then give yourself a big kiss on the brain. Nice work. We just wrote our numbers 1 all the way through 15. All right, friends, go ahead and hold on to those whiteboards, but make sure they're completely erased so we can move on to our next activity. So what we're going to be doing is we're looking at 10 frames, right? We've been working on this for a while. So this is a completely filled 10 frame. I have 5 red dots on the top and 5 white dots on the bottom, which makes altogether I have 10. My 10 frame is filled. I have 10 dots. Now, I am going to add another 10 frame. But it's not filled completely. So I have 10 and some more. I have 10 up here. How many do I have down here? 1, 2, 3, 4. You're right. So my job is to find out how many we have all together. So knowing I have 10, I'm going to start at 10 and count on. So I'm going to point to this, say 10, and then keep counting as I point to each dot. Like this, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 14 altogether. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Go ahead and write 14 on your board. 14. Well, I know my teen numbers start with a 1. 4. 14. That's a 4. So I do a 1 and a 4 to make the number 14. You guys ready for the next one? Okay, go ahead and erase that 14. I'm going to take this guy away and we're going to find out what our next number is. How many dots did I add? I have 10 and I added 3 more. How many do I have now? Let's count on. I know this is 10, so I start at 10 because I already have that many. 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's do that again. 10, 11, 12, 13. I have 13 all together. How do I write the number 13? Well, it's a teen number, starts with a 1, and then I have a 3. 13. This 1 represents that 10 that I have, and then this 3 shows these 3 down here. So that's an easy way to remember. I have 10 and then I have 3 more. I have 13 altogether. Let's do one more. Go ahead and erase it. I'm going to take these down and I'm going to add a new card. Alrighty. Try to find it on your own. How many do I have? I start with 10 and I count on one more. 10, 11, 10, 11. This is already filled, which is why I start with 10. 10, 11. This is how I write an 11. A 1 and a 1. Remember, this 1 comes from this full 10 frame. I have 1 full 10 frame. Then this 1 comes from here to make the number altogether 11. Great job. Now you are going to see something similar on your seesaw activity. You are going to see 2 10 frames. You need to find out how many there is all together and then drag the teen numbers over. So it'll either be 11, 12, 13, 14, and maybe even 15. So go check it out. Good luck. I will see you guys soon.